Hi, I'm Tanya from freerangecottage.com. My husband Rob and I are doing a kitchen makeover in our 1980s fixer-upper house. And the first thing we completed was our kitchen island. We made it with 2 IKEA cabinets and we repurposed a wood top and did shiplap on the sides and on the back. And we want to show you how we did it. So come on, let's take a closer look. So first I want to show you, this is the back side of it. The stools are from World Market originally, and I chalk painted the top. So let me move these and show you. It's got the shiplap all the way down, and then we brought the shiplap out to make an inset area where you can sit. And you can see that on the side. We'll pan around to the side here. And we made an even sort of a waterfall edge here. You could have it come over, but I wanted just more of a modern farmhouse kind of look, so we did that. Our repurposed top, we used, this is hardwood. I haven't researched what kind it is. It says made in India, but it's a thrift store find. We had bought a big workbench that we had been using as our island, but it didn't have any storage. So I had to come up with a way to add some storage in. We've got an old kitchen. All the storage is really important. So what we did is we went to IKEA and we bought 2 base cabinets. Now, when you go buy cabinets at IKEA, you buy the base separate and you buy the drawers that you want and you buy the fronts that you want. So it's not like going to, like, say, a big box store and what you see is what you get and you just load up the cabinet. They come flat packed. You have to put them all together. It's not really difficult, but we had put together a lot of different IKEA furniture, so we kind of knew how to go about it. So it's not too difficult for even just like a beginning DIYer, so I wouldn't be afraid of that. But so yeah, if you haven't been to IKEA, they do have people in the kitchen section to help you out. And make sure you do that because we almost got the wrong type of drawers, and I'll talk about that when I open these up. But so we put these 2 together, screwed them together, and then we put the shiplap on, like I said. The shiplap is from Lowe's, and it already has sort of this little bevel edge, so that made it really easy to just butt up. And that way it would be strong. It wasn't just the cladding, it's actual, like a thick, what is it, like a half-inch thick piece of wood. And then coming closer here, there's the trim. We put just a small piece of trim, like face trim, on each side that Rob ripped down himself. He just kind of made the trim, and it was a little cheaper to do it that way. Now, as far as the top, we had thought about doing like a stone or a quartz or something, but this thing is so hard wearing and is really pretty that we decided to just go ahead and repurpose it and keep it really budget friendly. Now, the drawers on the inside, I think you're gonna be surprised at how much they hold. I am just shocked. I went from an island that had no storage on the bottom to being able to have all this storage. All of our utensils fit, and you can see the drawers extend all the way out, and that's what we almost didn't get, was the drawers that extend all the way out. They do have ones that, you know, pull out like a traditional drawer. You want to make sure you know what you're getting and getting the right thing, which IKEA is 3.5 hours away for us, so that would have really been a bummer. And thank goodness we had people in the kitchen section helping us out. So this is a hidden drawer. These are, this is a 4 drawer. It shows 3, but it's got a hidden drawer, which I absolutely love because all of our knives, you know, scissors, just things that you want up in this hidden drawer. These organizers are from IKEA. Also, most of the organizers in here are from IKEA. I've given sources on my blog, freerangecottage.com. On the blog, there's a post on this, and all the links to all the resources are in there. So I even have some little espresso cups in here. Those will move. We're redoing a lot of the kitchen, and once we get new cabinets, those are going to be in a different place. But in this drawer, look at this. Can you believe the amount of kitchen utensils we have? And honestly, in my little 1980 little drawers, it used to drive me crazy. It was just always a mess and a tangle. And now I can just, you know, we can just get right to what we need. It's easy to put away. It's easy to find. In the bottom here, all my storage, even some small appliances. It's crazy how much these hold. And look at the soft close. It's a beautiful thing. They don't slam. Again, more silverware, utensils. Now for the flat drawer, I decided all my cutting boards would be a great place. They're kind of ugly out on the counter, so I love that I can put them away. All the baking in one place. It just makes me happy. If we want to do some baking, all of our measuring cups and our hand mixer things and everything are here. And just a little bit more, just miscellaneous things but they look organized, and it just holds so much. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. If you have any questions, be sure and leave a comment. Would you ever use IKEA cabinets? We were not sure how that was, I mean, if it was worth it to drive all the way there and get them, but we had seen so many good reviews on them, we decided to go for it. So if you like this kind of content, if you like home decor, styling, and realistic, beautiful living, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell, because we're going to be putting out lots and lots of videos once a week. So thanks for listening, and I hope you got something out of it.